In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $37,950 in commission with Fiverr affiliates using YouTube, using free traffic from YouTube without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you my secrets, my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission, and I made this commission just in 90 days, okay, in the last 3 months. And last month I made $16,972 and it's paid, as you can see over here. This is my invoice, okay? It's not screenshots, guys. This is my affiliate account dashboard. I'm sharing with you this so you guys can see, and believe it or not, it's up to you. I'm gonna share with you in this video everything. I will share with you my methods, my strategies. So let's get started. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, my CTR, and so on. So for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, step number 1, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down. Go to company and click over here. Go to company like I said and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate market, $50 for just one service. The best part is that each time this person will make transaction on Fiverr, you will earn commission for the next 12 months, which makes this business really profitable. Anyway, just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, okay? What you need to do next, you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on YouTube to earn commission. And I will share with you my method that I'm using to find good and profitable services that made me a lot of commissions. So pay close attention. What you will do next, you will go back to your YouTube homepage. Open your YouTube homepage like this. Why I choose YouTube? YouTube is the best traffic source for me. So did you know that YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors? Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google? Google is number 1, YouTube is number 2. YouTube is the best traffic source that you should start focus on if you want to make commissions with affiliate marketing, okay? Anyway, you will click over here on the search and I will ask questions. So for example, let's say how to make intro for, and here you go. You guys can see I asked how to make intro for, and YouTube give me the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. This is report search prediction, as you can see over here. People are searching for how to make intro for YouTube videos, how to make intro for YouTube videos in CapCut, how to make intro for YouTube. So those people who are searching for those topics, they will be interested to buy this service on Fiverr. Go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for YouTube intro. Search for YouTube intro like this. Those people will be interested to buy this service from you, okay? Scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check the feedback of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, of course those people will buy also this service from you and you will make commissions, okay? So let's choose, for example, let me see, I'm gonna choose this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. He has 5 star, over 1000 reviews. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Over 7,000 reviews. That's a really big number. You guys can see how many people paid for this service. Over 7,000. It's close to 80,000 reviews. Top rated seller. 1 orders in queue. She's really good. So what you will do next? You will copy the profile link of this seller, okay, like this, and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next? You just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. How you can do it? Let me show you. Go back to this seller profile page. Click on his video. This seller has a video. This seller is really making good intros. Oh, that's a really professional work. I might get one from this one. So that's good. So what you will do next? Double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop. I will name it intro. Click on save, and here you go. Your video will be saved to your laptop. What you will do next? You will go to Google and search for Canva. Okay, we will use Canva to edit this video, so we can upload this video on YouTube with our affiliate link. So first, go to Google, search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Canva. So click over here on video and click on YouTube video. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload this video that you download from Fiverr about intro. Okay, click on open, and here you go. Click on this video, and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. Click on text, scroll down. So you have here a lot of different styles of text that you can use. So choose which one you like. So for example, I like to use this one. Click on this one here. I will delete the second one, and I will decrease the font size of this text like this. I will put this text here, double click, and I will write check link in my description. Check link in my description like this. Click over here on elements and scroll down. Let me show you. Scroll down, go to shapes and choose this one. Put this shape behind your text like this. We'll edit the color, of course. Click on color, click on black color. Okay, like this, and here you go. Put this one here, you guys can see. So people who will watch this video, people who are interested to make YouTube intro for their videos, they will see this. Check link in my description. They will check our YouTube description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, so you see. So what you will do next, click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open your YouTube channel. It's for free. It's gonna take just 1 minute from your time. Put this video, how to make intro for YouTube videos. Exactly, put this title for your video. Use the same title in your description. If you are looking for how to make intro for your YouTube videos, check link below. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started and if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, like I said, and I still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. And go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description and start promoting those services related to those topics that people are searching for. Try to rank your videos high in the search results, and I can guarantee to you, if you stay consistent, if you follow those methods that I shared with you in my YouTube channel, you will make your commissions just in the first few weeks. Okay, it's always the result. It's depending on your work. Do you stay consistent or not? I don't know. The business model is clear, but you need to stay consistent, and you should know that businesses don't fail. People do. Businesses will never fail. Okay, people, they quit. There are people who are lazy, people who quit fast, and that's the problem. And only so which people will succeed on this business? Of course, only few people who will stay consistent, who will do more research, who will keep improving their videos, who will check the data of those videos, check which video got a lot of views, double what's working, avoid what's not working. That's how you can improve your business and scale your business and make more money. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address, and see you in my next videos.